Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, MotoSpectrum. Today, we're diving into something that bends reality. Something that takes ultra-luxury, injects it with horsepower, tech, and class, and puts it all on wheels. This is the 2026 Bentley Luxury Motorhome. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bentley Motorhome? But trust me, this isn't your average RV. This is a mansion on wheels, a 5-star hotel suite with a W12 heartbeat. And once you see what Bentley has done here, you'll realize home is no longer a place, it's a presence. Let's start with the looks. This thing is a masterpiece. It's dripping in elegance. The iconic matrix Bentley grille up front gives it a presence that screams luxury from a mile away. Sculpted lines, flowing bodywork, and deep gloss paint available in bespoke Mulliner colors like glacier copper, midnight sapphire, or even sateen, rose gold. And those wheels, custom 24-inch forged alloy rims wrapped in ultra-premium touring tires. The retractable side steps fold out automatically when you approach. And yes, there's a built-in champagne bar that slides out from the side like something out of a Bond movie. Classy? Bentley doesn't do anything less. Step inside and get ready for your jaw to hit the Italian marble floor. Bentley took their legendary craftsmanship and just went wild. Full-grain, diamond-quilted leather seating, hand-finished walnut veneers, polished to perfection, 24-karat gold accents, knurled aluminum switchgear, and ambient lighting that feels like a luxury yacht crossed with a Rolls-Royce Phantom. The lounge is more luxurious than most penthouses. Two massage